What's the meaning of Celt? Celt. Celt.
Celt. Celt. The term Celt refers to a group of culturally related peoples who occupied an area from the British Isles to the Iberian Peninsula and Central Europe during the Iron Age and early medieval period. These people had distinctive artistic styles, religious beliefs, and social structures, with a strong emphasis on warrior culture and tribal identity. The term Celtic is often used to describe their shared cultural heritage, which includes art, language, music, and folklore. Today, Celtic identity is still celebrated in many parts of Europe, particularly in Ireland, Scotland, Wales, and Brittany.